Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Avantika Kaushal and welcome to Wise Women. I was going to say podcast, but maybe in years it will be one. But welcome to Wise Women. And as you already know, this is just for the girlies. That's it. That's it. If you come under this gender, this is for you. Otherwise, you can leave. Like, leave right now. So, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avantika Kaushal, and for 1000 years, I tried my level best to think of a name, to decide topics, who I want to be, who I want to tell you who I am. I gave myself enough labels, enough of them for you to understand who I am. But you know what? The only thing that you want to know about me is that I'm going to come here and talk like an elder sister, because मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि अभी तक जो मैं 19 साल से शुरू करना चाहती थी वो this is the right time, because I think now I've come of that age finally where I can be your elder sister. Because मुझे ना एक प्रजाति से काफ़ी ना खुंदस है. Like I will be telling you about all of my emotions without fabricating any one of them, right? And I literally, what do we say, de-influence you all into actually becoming authentic and not some robotic people like everybody else. अगर एक इंसान ऐसे पोस्ट कर रहा है, ऐसे पोस्ट कर रहा है, तो वो ऐसे ही सब कर रहे हैं. What happened? I don't know what happened, but that's okay. Yeah. अगर एक आदमी ऐसे पोस्ट कर रहा है तो बाकी भी ऐसे ही पोस्ट करे. आई एम गोइंग टू डी इन्फ्लुएंस यू, बिकॉज राइट नाउ मुझे ऐसा लगता था, मुझे सबने ऐसे बोला कि
you wake up, you dress good, and then sit in front of a camera and do that. And I'm like, सुबह मेरा दिमाग के 4 मतलब पता नहीं कितने सेल होते हैं, उनमें से 4 भी उठ जाए ना, तब भी बहुत बड़ी बात है.
तो दिस इज एक्चुअली द टाइम व्हेन माय ब्रेन, it's I think 7 o'clock. So this is the time I do my skincare and I decided that I am going to sit. जैसे रात को हम बात नहीं करते थे अपने कजन्स के साथ, एल्डर सिस्टर के साथ, they were telling you stories about their whatever, their college time, school time. I'm going to sit like that. I've done my skincare, okay? I'm going to sit and I'm going to talk about what? ऐसे randomly मेरे words आते रहते हैं and I like words. So today's word is going to be the audacity. हाँ, सॉरी, आई एम अ लिटिल ADHD ऑल्सो, इधर उधर भटक जाती हूँ मैं. बट सिट विद अ स्नैक, सिट विद समथिंग टू ईट, ड्रिंक, क्योंकि आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू 1000 स्टोरीज. आई एम गोइंग टू टेक यू ऑन टू अ राइड. आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट. I hope that my relatives don't follow me. That's it. They're gonna have a heart attack. But anyways, if you're seeing this, I'm going to tell you one thing. I am legit the bomb you thought I am. Like, whatever you thought about me, girl, I am that. And to be honest, with successful everything happening in my life, मतलब जितना आपने सोचा था उतनी मैं हूँ, but with a very good word, and that is successful and happy. But today's word is audacity. मैं बहुत डरी हुई लड़की रही हूँ. मतलब आई हैव बीन वो चुटियाँ करने वाली एंड डबल वो करेला जैसी गुद करने वाली. आई हैव बीन दैट वुमन एंड आई वॉज इनसिक्योर. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू व्हाट आई एम इनसिक्योर ऑफ. कैन यू सी माई फोरहेड? Can you see? And I have this also. This is alopecia, but can you see how big my forehead is? I am insecure, was actually, of my nose. My nose is a little tedha. Well, you know what? I love it. I fucking love it. I love being a woman who has a little whatever nose. And see, when I smile a lot, I have a vein. A lot of people used to say, "ये फट जाएगी कि तू इतनी जोर से हंसती है." I mean, that's a compliment. I laugh so loud, man. That's a compliment, right? So the audacity to be fucking. Oh my god, do I have to say that word? Can I say that word? The audacity, the effing audacity to be yourself. Like, you should be so filled with your own life energy without copying others. Without. It's okay to copy others. Like, if I want to do a makeup look, I am going to copy. Obviously, some women are very good and I can say I'm bad at it. ठीक है, बट मैं उनको देख करके कॉपी करूंगी because I love women. Okay, but it does not mean that I copy their entire personality. I've built this personality. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मेरे अंदर ऐसी बम्ब भरा हुआ है. It was like a ticking bomb. So I was the studious person and everything. But one fine day, I started rebelling against everything that was taught to me. और वो rebellion सिर्फ एक चीज़ से आया था, cutting my own hair. My hair was till my lat, like till my thighs or whatever, right? And one fine day I was like, I want to cut it. I did, and after that I think I've changed entirely. Like nobody in this entire universe can tell me what to do with my own body. That's what I mean, okay? I'm not like, yeah, narcissistic. No, nobody can tell me. I only tell no, not like that. Like about my body, nobody can tell me that. If somebody says, oh, your tummy has grown, yeah, sure, because I am eating, man. I'm eating. I'm creating my.
I'm कैसे ये चश्मे में आ रहा है ना, सी मैन दैट्स ओके. अगर तुम्हें दिखाई भी दे रहा है कि मैं किस चीज़ से किस लाइट से शूट कर रही हूँ तो उससे दिक्कत क्या है, ठीक है? तो क्या बोल रही थी मैं? या
I was talking about audacity. So I had to build the audacity. मतलब जो मुझे लोग बोलते थे ना कि ये अवंतिका है, पढ़ाकू, सुनने वाली, सबका के. I went again. Nervous system I was talking about. I had to. नर्वस सिस्टम ना आपका कभी सेफ कामनेस से नहीं होता है. लाइक आई एम टेलिंग यू, बी काम.
नो इससे काम नहीं होता
है. आपका नर्वस सिस्टम जॉय से, व्हेन यू आर डांसिंग ऑल द इडियट्स, दैट इज द एग्जैक्ट टाइम व्हेन योर नर्वस सिस्टम इज हैप्पियर, नॉट व्हेन यू आर काम. एक्सक्यूज मी, अप्सराओं के बीच में हो क्या? कुछ जिंदगी में चलना नहीं चाहिए. बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस इज, हैव यू सीन दोज चिल्ड्रन जिनका नर्वस सिस्टम बहुत काम है और वो कुछ हो जाए उनकी लाइफ में, दे आर डायरेक्ट so many people that I know that ki
Actually, I couldn't get the toy in my bachpan, and I think that is like I had like 36 of them, but the 37th edition wasn't there, and my father said no, and I'm like, and that is when I decided that I don't want to live anymore, and I'm like, yeah, if that's for you, yeah, you go boy, like, yeah. So
ऑडासिटी, नर्वस सिस्टम, ये सब मैं इतना मिक्स क्यों कर रही हूँ? इसलिए क्योंकि दिस वॉज द टॉपिक आई वॉज गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट. ठीक है, अब आ जाते हैं कि ऑडासिटी इन व्हाट सेंस. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर तुम्हें ऐसा लग रहा है दैट यू वॉन्ट टू फॉलो अ सर्टेन पाथ एंड people are saying no, you can't follow that, you can't do that, and you know in your guts that you can do that, do it. मम्मी क्या बोलेगी, पापा क्या बोलेगा, भाई क्या बोलेगा, बाहर के लोग क्या बोलेंगे, इसने क्या बोला, चाचे की मामी की सास ने क्या बोला, I don't give a shit, and you shouldn't either. I stopped giving even a single F when I was back in 7th 8th standard. That was the last time I gave one, and that is the one, audacity. I started playing with the boys, I started hurting my knee, I was getting crazier day by day, but that gave me so much confidence. और audacity पता है किसी और को कॉपी करने के लिए नहीं, किसी का वैलिडेशन सीख करने के लिए नहीं, खुद के लिए. I've seen those आजकल ना, I started seeing those लड़कियाँ in their I think school, and they're like, this teacher bullied me and I took a step. Yes girl, yes. That's it's exactly what I'm talking about. The audacity to be yourself, to actually कि ये I don't deserve this. मुझे ना इधर देखना था पर मैं इतनी देर से इधर देख रही थी. But anyways, कि I don't deserve this, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम तक I've given myself, I've tolerated things in my life that has just given me nothing. I'm going to tell you, I have psoriasis, bad psoriasis. मतलब इतना बुरा कि if I scratch, there's blood in my hands, and you know psoriasis is an autoimmune condition. And then coming to alopecia, I have alopecia. Can you see? I had to put injections there. अगर तुम्हें ये लगता है कि ना बोलना, यू नॉट स्टैंडिंग अप फॉर योर सेल्फ, एंड टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, ऑडेसिटी इज बीइंग योर सेल्फ. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम द ओनली रॉन्ग थिंग दैट आई डिड वॉज टेक वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिट जेंडर. I that is my worst regret, worst nightmare actually. That was the worst thing I could do to myself, because they very well knew कि कैसे मैनिपुलेट करना है. They very well knew that, and I thought they were my savior. I was my savior. I forgot that. Audacity to live your life, audacity to make choices, audacity to fucking. मैं तो सच में डिमोनेटाइज होने वाली हूँ. मैं तो स्टार्टिंग में ही, मेरे को देगा ही नहीं, यूट्यूब बोलेगा बाय बाय. बट you really need to understand. See, I'm going to be 27 in like 3 months, and I know. और मुझे ना, like I told you, there is one प्रजाति जिन्होंने ना ज़िंदगी में सिर्फ अच्छा in the sense, not like अच्छा in the sense they haven't gone out of their way to do anything. कभी कोई कांड नहीं किया ज़िंदगी में. और मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि तुम कांड करने बैठ जाओ. No, I'm not telling you that. In the sense that you've always been safe. You can give advice from being safe, but I can't tell you things that I haven't experienced and how to come out of those things. I have done all of those cons. I've done everything that you can possibly imagine. I have done that. But us time, I was never thinking about the other person. Never. I was thinking about me. मुझे घूमना है, मुझे रात की गेड़ी मारनी है, मुझे करना है. Avantika wants to do it. Avantika wants to live the life. But or उस bad decisions, very bad decisions, I'm going to tell you, very bad decisions, but उन bad decisions की वजह से I could figure out what were the right decisions. जब तक एक गलत डिसीजन नहीं लोगे तब तक राइट डिसीजन का कभी नहीं पता चलेगा. मेक इट अ पॉइंट. कभी भी नहीं. I know I can't take advices from somebody who's always known love. I can't take advice from somebody who's already felt validated. I want to take advice from somebody who who was not validated, and then she validated herself. And how did you do that? I can't. And for a very long time, I wanted myself, I wish I could find myself on a YouTube channel like this. मेरी ही कोई ऐसी बड़ी बहन होती. But I think I'm going to give some very not textbook kind of advices, and I'm going to tell you, you know what? Those marks, मुझे बहुत टाइम तक लगे था. I was A1 student. I'm going to tell you that. I am an A1 student. I've always been an A1 student. But those things are never my labels. And they will never define me. And neither should they define you. और इन सब चीज़ों का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि you take bad decisions. You start making. No. Audacity, for example, if I could go back and tell myself this one thing, कि अच्छा ठीक है, तुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि everybody is trying to tell you कि marks important है, marks important है, marks important है. तेरे लिए है. Does these things matter to you? If Avantika said yes, then I'm going to sit and study, which I did because Avantika के लिए important थे. Whatever you're doing, is it important to me? मैंने बहुत बार बंक किया है. I've gone out of my way to do all of the wrong things ever. But किसी और के लिए नहीं, अपने लिए. A lot of time, I think many people told me that you can't dance, you can't dance, you can't dance, you can't dance, because मैं बहुत ऐसे कि नहीं, मुझे कोई देख लेगा. And then I was like, देखना ही तो है. And then I was like, I did that. And since then, I've always been complimented for my dance. And it's not like I can do very good break dance or या contemporary मैं बहुत अच्छा कर सकती हूँ. No. Just when I'm with my music, I am me. And that is exactly what I want you to do. Have the audacity. And how to do that, I'm so sorry I did not tell you. So on a piece of paper draw a triangle. इल्यूमिनाटी का ट्रायंगल बनाएंगे हम, ठीक है. ऊपर लिखेंगे हम बॉडी, इधर लिखेंगे वर्ड्स और यहाँ लिखेंगे फोकस. 3 हो गए, ठीक है. ऊपर जो वर्ड्स है, ठीक है, वहाँ सॉरी बॉडी है, उसमें what is the body language of somebody who has audacity? Like ऐसे वाली नहीं, please. Audacity, I mean, I can do it. Who's like, अगर कोई पूछ रहा है कि क्लास में से कौन सा या कॉलेज में से I will do it. I think I can. 10 लोग मना कर रहे हैं, I think I can do it. That is audacity. What is the body language? Maybe your hands, your shoulders are up. How is the body language? Feel that audacity inside of you. Sometimes you might have experienced audacity, and then at that point of time just see what happens in your body. Write those things, ठीक है. अब आ जाते words. What are you saying? I can do it. When I feel audacity, I'm like nobody can stop me. Nobody can. Nobody has the to stop me, right? And focus. When I have audacity, when I feel the entirety of audacity in me, what is my focus? My focus is just one thing, and that is Avantika. What does she want? And every morning, see this triangle, be in that body language, start saying those words to yourself and start focusing on the focus wala. Like मेरे लिए focus क्या है Avantika? I'm going to get up and I'm like, oh God, I can do it. That's I'm going to build audacity inside of me. ठीक है? And this is how I'm going to do all of my videos. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you want to comment, you can comment. And please come back.